everyone, welcome to Arlene's Creations, and today I'm going to show you how to stiffen burlap. So I made my design on my computer for my Cricut machine. Now the Cricut machine is going to cut out my heart design that I picked out. And now I'm going to make my solution, which is glue, Mod Podge or white clear drying glue, and some water. So I actually used 1.5 cups of water to about 5 ounces of glue. So now that I have my template cut out from Cricut, I'm going to trace it on my burlap. So I'm trying to get as many hearts as possible for my project that I'll be doing. So I'm going to cut all of these hearts out with very sharp scissors. Then I'm going to take each heart and submerge it into the glue and water solution. Then with a clothespin, I pick up each piece and drip it, let it drip a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang all the pieces from a hanger. And I did put plastic on the floor with a big long bucket, so none of the drips got onto my floor. So this is going to dry overnight. Okay everyone, so it's the next day and my hearts were hanging and drying overnight. And now they are totally stiff. I don't know if you can see, I'm holding the camera with my one hand. And yep, they're totally stiff like I wanted them. And I will be painting on them. So that's why I didn't want the burlap to be, not stiff. So that is my simple tip Saturday for making burlap stiff, is you just cut out your desired pieces, whatever shapes you want, soak it in a solution of 1 part glue to 1.5 parts water. I actually used 1.5 cups of water and about 4 to 5 ounces of the Mod Podge glue. Alright, but you can use any white clear drying glue that you want, as long as it dries clear. So Mod Podge, some tacky glue, white tacky glue from the craft store, which I actually had a little bit left in a jar and I ended up putting it in my water solution. But yeah, so it makes them nice and stiff. And that's my little tip on how to do it. You need time because they have to dry overnight. So if you want to do the project that day, it's going to take a couple hours for them to dry. If it's nice and sunny out, you could always hang them outside on a clothesline. But I still have to get more burlap because I need, I think, 3 more hearts to do what I'm going to be doing. So thanks for watching my Simple Tip Saturday. And stay tuned. Hit that notification bell for the upcoming project that I will be doing with these hearts. And like the video. If you've not already subscribed, please subscribe. I appreciate all that watch. And stay tuned for my weekly videos, 2 videos a week, and then the simple tip on Saturday. Alright, everybody have a blessed weekend. Take care now. Bye-bye.